Okay, we got right here 2017 Dodge ProMaster. Cannot turn the flash because my battery is low. Okay, and the Mitchell on demand say misfire could be spark plug. The most common is the coil, but they don't mention something. It's a coil, spark plug, compression, or intake manifold gasket. It's a plenum gasket. But we noticed something after we remove and we check the tune-up, it's fine, and we do our test with the fuel injection tester, everything fine. And what we find right here in this case is something that nobody mentioned. So when I check the compression, it has over 200 psi, what is kind of weird on this, and it's ticking the engine a little bit, as I see as many Dodge ticky noise, but this one particular bad ticky noise. And then focus the flashlight right there, and then we find something right here. Something, see the camshaft right there? It's round already. So already the common problem, and in a Dodge, even the Hemi engines, same problem. So started already damaged, starting right there. And see the flashlight, the other ones right here, it's kind of right here is decent, it's all right. Right here the problem still good, not problem, but the problem start right here, and even can cause that one here, the problem because this one is our bad the rocker arms. Put the flashlight right, let me see which one, so I can see with the camera right here, and this right here, inside right here. More, no, right here underneath, like my finger. See my finger? Right there? Okay, let me show this rocker arm better. You can see it. I can focus right there. So the rocker arm right there, it's already, you can tell it's not smooth. The rocker arm is hella rough. Let's see the other one. Same thing, that one. And that one worse. Even it's not even there. It's all the way at the bottom. Damage. And the camshaft it's no cam. It's round. Okay, let's see the other. Has to be. Flash a little more down to show how this one looks. Should be okay right there. How kind of smooth looks right there. This part, the roller right there, the roller looks alright right there. It's not bad. Has to be smooth. But if we keep going, we keep seeing it, this thing, so that's what affecting the cam right here. And if we move to the next one, worse. And the roller, and the next one, yeah, and the roller already in that one, it's already really bad. It's going bad right there. Cannot focus really good, but it's going bad and bad, and you can tell right there. It's more show the worse this looks. And the back one, that one looks all right. So that's supposed to be looks like that one. Okay, and then I go next one. It's hard to focus the camera right there when I zoom it. Oh, that one right there. It's hard to look in there. And then that one should be like this and like that. So we did our part right here. And for anyone has a problem with the ProMasters, that's the big problem. ProMasters, Hemi engines. It's I don't know if I don't want to call it bad design, but that's what it is. I've been dealing with the Hemi engines, same problem. So this is a Ram 1500 ProMaster, and it's 2017. So common problem. So thank you.